my guys, actually, you put it this way. If you don't look homeless with your haircut, then you aren't working hard enough. Always remember that. So, got one of my boys, Gordo. He gonna come here, chop me up in my own apartment. I'll show you guys.
Yeah, but I want hair, like hair.
Yeah, I know you're gonna have to do the top of.
Yo, what's wrong with my haircut, bro?
Bro, we have different heads.
Yo, you don't want a bald fade?
No,
bro.
But I do want Bitcoin to break out of this wedge so I can come home.
Bitcoin. I see you, bro. I see you. Yo, just give him a bald fade. Fuck it.
Cut it all out, bro.
Oh, I just wanted to get into it.
You gotta get into Bitcoin, bro.
I know, bro.
Always chopping out.
Hey, this is my idea, kind of.
Alright, I see Ben's trying to go with this haircut. I feel you on that, bro. I feel you on that.
I looked up business.
That's better.
I know.
You can do some stuff like that, and I can definitely make you some banners and headlines so you can go ahead and promote also, because your Instagram is gonna be really big too. And I'm gonna start shouting you out also.
Yes. When do you want to go over any forex stuff? But I don't know how you trade for.
Honestly, this is like your section of the academy. It's all on how you want to go ahead and teach it. Yo, you literally just recorded how dirty this apartment is.
I know.
I'm not putting that on my YouTube.
Cut it out, boy.
Alright, I'll talk to you. Alright, dude. Always got business going left and right. That's the day of the life. Always got business. Let me show you something real quick. Actually, I'm not showing my YouTube channel that shit. I don't want them knowing all that kind of money. Yeah, it's always best, always convenient when you got your own barber who comes to your apartment just to cut your hair. Fuck driving out to a barber shop and shit.
I hate when it blacks out.
Make fun of people who go to sports clips. If you get your haircut at sports clips, I don't know what to tell you. You probably already know.
Ben used to go to sport clips, right, man?
I can tell, bro. I can tell you used to go to sports clips. I can tell you used to go to sports clips.
No, bro, great clips only, bro. We want the
great kid.
We want that beginner shit.
I'm not gonna lie, I used to go to great clips too.
No.
I was like 15, bro. What am I supposed to do?
Dude, fucking cut your own hair at that point.
I tried. I fucked it up. I went bald. I had to go legit, no guard on a thing and go bald to school.
Gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
That's true. That's the worst part. If you don't look homeless, you're not working hard enough. I'm no longer working homeless. We'll see how hard I'll be working next week.
No.
His first haircut in Houston.
Bitcoin paying for the house calls.
Bitcoin paying for the house call. The finished product, check this out. Gordo chopped him up nice, that was straight.
Shout out to
Gordo. Shout out to Gordo all the way up from Houston, Texas.
Yep.
We'll drop his Instagram in the link description for everybody out here in Houston. Right here.
You know what it is.
Shout out, bro, you already know. The Aztec shit.
Aztec
Ben's
shit.
turning Mexican.
Mexican boy.
Houston trader here. Houston trader eating some damn pizza. Of course. Pre-workout right here. That's how you do it, bro. Dry scooping pre-workout. Damn, that's a real boy. There we go. Gotta get the playlist going. Got Marco trades right here. Got Marco trades. Gotta get the playlist going first. Let's see. Probably throw some little Reese. Some little Reese on. Look who else just pulled up. Missouri boy just pulled up. Let's go hit these legs. Legs, crazy shit. Amped up on that psychotic. Let's do this.